So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to save a Canva design or an image here on Canva as a PDF file. So super simple. First thing you have to do is find a design that you want to save as a PDF file. So I'll just make one randomly for the sake of this video. Nothing serious. We'll have a square and a circle. I will make the square like a teal color. I will make the I'll make the circle a teal color, a square green, and I will make the background of this image. How about I make it pink? So if I wanted to save this as a PDF file, super simple. First thing you have to do is go to the top right corner to where it says share. I want you to then press on that. Then I want you to go all the way down to where it says download. I want you to press on that. Then once it is done, it currently has the file type as an MP4 video. We do not want to save it as a video for this video. I want you to press on it right here. And then I want you to go down to the option to where it says PDF standard or PDF print. So if you want one that's best for documents, emailing digital copies, basically, the PDF standard is your way to go. But if you want to print this design out as a PDF file, the PDF print is your best option. But just for this example, we will press the PDF standard. If you want to flatten the PDF, you can select that. If you want to include the notes, you can select that. But just for this example, we're going to keep it simple. I just want you to keep it as it is and press download. And once that is done, press the purple download button. It'll take a couple seconds and download this image to your computer. And once that is done, it'll show up in your downloads of your laptop. So hopefully this video helped in showing you how to download a Canva design as a PDF file. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.